programme, I'm taking on an item I cannot live without: headphones.
This is something called an electrophone. This was the first personal listening experience.
They harness the intricate engineering and complex technology that drives large, powerful speakers. Woo! Suddenly, it does feel like finding treasure inside, but in miniaturised form.
If you very gently push down on there, you can feel there's a suspension system.
4 pins of this material and a couple of AA batteries would lift a car.
The result is an extraordinarily intimate experience. All right, Head, brace yourself, this one's going to be loud. That transports us to other worlds. Oh, I'm in Jurassic Park. That is impressive. Can I capture this amazing technological alchemy?
Ready?
Yep, ready.
Let's go with the sounds.
In my own unique pair. Starting to feel a bit headphoney. There are essentially 2 families of headphones: the over-ear headphone or in-ear earphone. I like the earbud because of its discrete profile. And then if I'm in a busy office environment, you just want to put your headphones on and be on your own. Globally, 12 pairs of headphones are sold every second. They combine the ingenious worlds of electrical engineering, acoustic science, and cutting-edge design to create a uniquely personal sound system for us all. There's ones where the bar across your head is designed to be incredibly flexible. And then there's ones where it's designed to fold so it can travel as a more neater package. These are noise-cancelling headphones, so they're designed to provide an even more secluded audio experience. This sort of shape is quite common with a little rubber cup there, or you'll have a sort of firmer bud like that without any squishy material. This vast array of features is relatively recent. I want to find out about the origins of the humble headphone. How has technological innovation led to the rapid rise in little more than a century? Hi John, I'm Zoe.
Hi Zoe.
Thanks. John Cannonberg is an independent curator of cultural audio exhibitions. Call incoming on 653. Hello caller.
How are you?
Yes, I can hear you. Loud and clear. I'm meeting him at Amberley Museum in West Sussex, where their Connected Earth exhibition is home to some of the earliest examples of headphones in the world.
So it was at the telephone exchanges where the headphones really got their start. Originally, the exchange operators were sort of locked in one position. They had to speak into a microphone that was mounted to the wall in front of them and hold a receiver up to their ear. So they really could not move from side to side at all.
Not portable.